Hello, who's calling? Can I take a message? Do you know how to talk on the phone in English? Today we learn phone and online communication. Let's connect. Welcome back to Learn Languages. I'm your English teacher. Phone calls in English can feel nerve-wracking, but with the right phrases you will feel confident. Let's start with phone call vocabulary. Section 1. Making and receiving phone calls. When you call someone, hello, this is calling. Could I speak to, please? I'm calling about, say your reason. When you receive a call, hello speaking, who's calling, please? How can I help you? If someone is unavailable, I'm afraid she's not available right now. Can I take a message? Could you call back later? Practice these phrases out loud. Say them with confidence. Section 2. Phone and communication vocabulary. To call or to ring. To make a phone call. To hang up. To end the call. To put someone on hold. Ask them to wait. To transfer a call. Send the call to another person. A voicemail. A recorded message. To leave a message. Record a voicemail. The line is busy. Someone else is on the phone. A missed call. You didn't answer in time. Signal. Phone connection strength. You're breaking up. The connection is poor. Section 3. Online communication. An email. To send an email. CC. Copy someone on an email. To reply. To forward. To attach a file. A video call, like Zoom or Teams. To mute, to unmute on a video call. A chat message, short online text. To DM, to send a direct message. Wi-Fi, connection, password. Email phrases, Dear, I hope this finds you well. Please find attached, kind regards, recap. Phone calls, this is calling. Can I take a message? Call back later. Vocabulary, hang up, voicemail, missed call, that, on hold. Online, email, CC, video call, mute, DM, attach. Your challenge. Write a short phone message in English in the comments. Imagine you are calling to book a restaurant. If this lesson helped you, please like the video. Subscribe to Learn Languages for a new lesson every week.